To another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can fix your screen flickering on your Android device. So first of all, head on to Chrome and then you have to go to like a link in the description. So basically my screen is a lot like flickering, so I can't see anything, but you have to find a app called Wallet Saver. The link of this app is in the description below. So you have to go to link in the description and download this app called OLED Saver. So it basically fixes the your screen flickering. Now it will stop your screen flickering after certain amount of time. First of all, you have to go there and set it up, and then you have to open OLED Saver app and tap on enable service. Now give it the permissions that OLED Saver wants. I can't freaking see anything. Okay, now we have to give it the accessibility permission. Okay, nice. Now we have to open up OLED Saver and tap on enable service. Now the video brightness might be lower, but the brightness of it is stable. Now I don't have a camera, so I can't show it to you guys how well it works, but it basically fixed my 70% of my Android screen. So you can try it out if you want to.